Welcome students, this is the fourth part of chapter number 13 concepts of DBMS. Steps to design database. It is a process for preparing an environment to construct logical and physical structure of data storage in database. Database design is a group of various applications. It is carried out following steps. First, data collection and analysis. First of all, database design process to collect their information or data for present or future need. The data so collected is then analyzed to identify the information or data. Second, conceptual or logical database design. After collection and analysis of data, DBMS create a conceptual scheme of the database which is independent from all DBMS. It is a description of all entities, constraints, and their relationship. Third, refinement of schema. It is used to translate conceptual model into actual implementation of data. It is also known as logical database design. Fourth, physical database design. This is used to define the structure of data in the terms of physical design. It explains path of access data structure and method. ER model. ER model stands for Entity Relationship Model. Entity Relationship Data Model was developed for database design by Peter Chien and published in 1976. It is a technique that represents system data as entity and relationship among them. It is used to represent or describe all logical structure as a chart or graphically. In simple words, ER model is a design tool which explain database with the help of diagrams. There are mainly following major components of ER model. First, entity, second, attribute, third, relationship. ER diagram. In ER model, ER diagram is used to represent whole logical structure of a database with the help of diagram. Components of this diagram is as follow. Entity. DBMS manages data as a group of similar information or data. This group is called entity, and collection of entities of same type is called entity set. There are two types of entity. A is strong entity, B weak entity. Strong entity. The entity which is not dependent on other entity is called a strong entity. It is also known as independent entity. It is the one on which other entities depends. The strong entity has a primary key. In ER model, a strong entity represented by a single outline rectangle. Example name, date of birth, phone number, etc. Second, weak entity. The entity which is dependent on other entity is called weak entity. It is also known as dependent entity. It is the one which is depends on a strong entity. In ER model, weak entity represent by double outline rectangle. Example age, loan, etc. This was the fourth part of chapter number 13 concepts of DBMS. We will continue this chapter later on.